Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok if it couldn't play your video. For example, as you can see that my TikTok homepage is not being able to load any video whatsoever, so in that case, simply follow the step as shown in the video to help with the problem. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, hit that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. If you are not being able to play video on your TikTok application using your Android, then the first thing to check is to make sure that you've connected your device to an internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once you are connected, go to TikTok app and tap it open. See if that makes any kind of a difference for playing your TikTok videos. If it worked for you, then that means your problem was network related. Once you have a stable internet connection, you should be able to play your videos on TikTok just fine. If you are still not being able to do so, the next thing to do is to check for any updates for your TikTok app. Go and tap open Play Store, and in the search box, search for TikTok. Once you find the application, if it needs an update, it will show you an update button popping up right next to the app. If you cannot see an update button, but instead you can see an open button, it means your application is up to date. Tap on the update button in order to begin downloading the latest version of TikTok on your Android. Wait until the update completes. Once the update is completed, simply tap Open TikTok app again and see if that fixes your issue. If it still does not, simply go to Settings from your Android device, tap it on, and from the list of the settings menu, select Apps. All of the applications that are installed on your Android system will be displayed on the screen. Search for TikTok and give it a tap. From the app info page, tap on Storage. Now, tap Clear Cache at the bottom right hand corner. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to clear out cache data from your TikTok app. Similarly, go to the bottom left hand corner and tap on Clear Data. In the pop-up that asks you if you want to delete all of the application's data permanently, including files, settings, accounts, databases, simply tap on OK, but make sure that you remember your credentials for your TikTok account before doing that. After you tap OK, go back to TikTok from your app drawer and tap it open. Once you make these changes, you'll be able to fix your TikTok video loading problem. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.